up? I'm Elise and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be reviewing the Viciley eyelashes and eyeliner kit located on your local Amazon.com, okay? This kit is gorgeous. These are the invisible magnetic lashes. We're going to get more into that later. But this is all what comes inside of this kit. It comes with 6 beautiful eyelashes, tweezers, and 2 different types of eyeliner applicators. So the first one is your traditional tube-shaped eyeliner. So this one ensures that your eyeliner doesn't dry. And you also have this pen eyeliner, which the instruction manual tells you how to use, but I'm going to demonstrate it in the video. First, you take your pen, you shake it real good, and then you're going to press down on top of it until it clicks. Boom, just like that. Now you have to wait 10 minutes, but I have another eyeliner from a kit that I previously had from this company, and it turns black just like that. And both of these are magnetic liners, so it is very clean application, but they do provide some remover cotton swab shaped thingies. As you can see, they are attached to magnets on the tray, so this is how you can really see these are magnetic. I'll be trying on just 3 of these because it's so many and they're all gorgeous, but you know. So even though both of them are magnetic, I'll be using the traditional tube liner to apply the lashes that I will apply today. The tube liner is created more for lines so they don't dry down as quick, but if you use the pen, it's more for finer lines. You get more control, so it's all up to you, but I like using both of them. I just create a line. People say I make it look so easy, but I promise it's not as easy as it looks. I'm starting off with this first pair. Y'all, as soon as I put the eyelashes close to my eyes, look, it just snapped right on. Like, I've never put on eyelashes so easily. I love these so much. They are very lightweight. They are very comfortable. I don't feel them. It's not heavy. They're fluffy. They're really cute. They also offer 5 more styles. So if you want something a little more simpler, you can go with that. This is probably the most dramatic out of this whole set. So yeah. They came off with ease, and I'm trying to use that same liner for all 3 pairs. So as y'all can see, it's clicking just like that. Just like that. It just clicked like real magnets on my eyes. But as y'all can see with the second pair, it's a lot calmer. You know, it's not as dramatic, but they're still there and they're still gorgeous. Now I'm trying this third pair, and it was my favorite, honestly. Watch this. Y'all, do y'all see how it just clicks on there? Like, y'all, if somebody would have told me this would have been this easy, like when I first started wearing lashes, I would have been so happy. Look at that curve. Yes. Once again, these are Viciley. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Lashes. I'm going to leave the link to these down below. This is not my first time using lashes from this company. So they have multiple kits. If you don't want this one, they have more styles, okay? Magnetic lashes are now my new favorite types of lashes. And I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I did. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys.